Have you ever felt scared about your future? Because we did. As first year B.Tech students, one night we sat and asked ourselves, what are we actually doing for our future? We saw students depending only on placements, thousands competing for the same jobs. And honestly, that fear hit hard. So we started searching for skills that could help us grow financially. We explored coding, freelancing, online learning, and even betting. But soon we realized gambling can never build a real future. Then we found Forex trading. At first, we thought trading was gambling too. But after researching day and night, learning about discipline, psychology, and risk management, we realized trading is actually a skill. So we decided something important. Instead of learning alone, why not build a community? That's why we started Forex Traders. This is our real journey. Our learning, our mistake, our growth, whatever the failure, inconsistency, everything will be posted in this channel. So if you want to learn and grow with us, welcome to the community and let's grow together. If at least a single comment we get sincerely, we will start from scratch together. May this series continue.